Tip off is on the way. Tip off won by Team Green. Back to Wewell. Wewell dribbling. 17 seconds shot clock. Agaw ni Nate. Agaw ni Cedric grabbing. No play ball. Cedric. Two points is good, but we have the ball. Bien, Rosa. We have Bob dribbling. 14 seconds shot clock. Pass to Buenoy from Ilalim. Pass to Buenoy. Pass to Cedric. Shot is good. 8 to Cedric. Or 5-2 in favor of Team Green. KD handling the ball. Pass to Wegabok. Back to Casey. 9 to shoot. Wegabok for 3. Short. Rebound Ben. Ben corner 3. Short. Rebound Buenoy. Pass to Wegabok. Back to Wegabok. Pass Cedric. Cedric going to the ball. Tumumurap si Casey. Bumangga sa kanera. Three! Uminom pa ako. Our score, 8-2. Diego po. Crossover, bumangga. Pass to Casey. Easy 2 for Hartendorf. Career high. Casey played point center. Pass Kuyanjo takes another 3. Off to a hot start. Hartendorf. Casey, 14 seconds to shoot. Casey driving. Finds Mariano from the Ilalim. 11-6 in score. Hartendorf assist. Mariano, 2 points. Back to Kuyanjo for 3. Short now. Career high of 2 points.
Wow!
Casey shot step, 50 seconds to shoot. Casey, tingnan na, 12 to shoot. That's the Tuega ball.
Ako na next game
9 to shoot. Crossover behind the back. Greg goes up. Pass to Cedric. Yan na, Casey 1v1. Gumiti ni Cedric. Ginitian na rin. Pero nice stop by Casey. We have balls for 3. No good rebound Cedric. Cedric grabbing. Wow, who's our ref? Nate, first personal fouls first. First shot, Cedric. No good. Second shot. Pag sumot, tingin dito. Ayaw. Pagod. Our score. Ay, shot clock, 14 seconds. Casey tumulin ng screen. Oh, agaw turnover. We are both running. It's a 2v2 situation, 3v2 situation now. Pass to Kuenoy, layup. Kick out to Kuya Bombs for 3. Our score, 14-6 in favor of Team Green. 6 minutes remaining in the first quarter. 11 to shoot. Casey takes a 3. 5 to shoot. No! Second turnover by Casey. Hinabay si Wewell. Muntik na yan. Wewell, 2 points. Good. Guevara, 17. Agaw ni Cedric. Kuya Bombs running up. Agaw rin ni Nate. Cedric steal, Nate steal. Kuya Bombs, hesitation, spin move! Nice move by Kuya Bombs. Villarosa. ball. Sub. Dead ball. Ihaw lang yun. Corner 3, Kuya Pops. 3 is good by Kuya Pops. Our score 19-8.
Nangangamoy inihaw na yung ibang crowd sa bench. Mariano, reverse is good.
Time out. Time out.
Time out. Ito magka-time out.
Well for 3, no good. Rebound Casey. Nate bringing the ball down. Our score 19-10.
Kuya Gabo driving! No good. Rebound, Webber. Fine Cedric.
Cedric bringing the ball down. Shot clock is at 15. Cedric makes it. Easy layup by Cedric Leita.
Judge, ngayon gawin naglaro ah. Basket timeout kayo, kaya ano?
Time remaining.
Basket timeout.
3 minutes and 55 seconds. Shot clock 11. Muntik na maagaw, Kuya Anjon, libre naman tayo ilalim.
Our score, lamang na ng 13. Ang Team Green.
Oh, agaw ni Wewel. Wewel driving. Kick out the middle. Wewel for 3. No good. Yan ang Kuya Gabo. Kuya Gabo, oh, behind the back. Behind the back. Bullet pass. Drop pass to Mariano. No good. Viva Mariano again. Mariano. 2 points is good. Time out. Team Green. Oh. What's the call, ref? Anong call? Anong call? Foul number 8. Lucky foul. First personal foul. Second team foul. Kuya Mike handling the ball. 18 to shoot. Back to Kuya Bob. Screen by Kuya Mike. Kuya Bob for 3. Short. Rebound Nate. Nate picked up by Seth. Muntik na maaga ni Seth. Mariano. Pushing the ball. Going coast to coast. Mariano stops. Passes to Kuya Gabo. 13 second shot clock. Judge picking up Kuya Gabo. Top up. Mariano. Power move. No good. Rebound. Nate. Nate. Pass to Mariano. Sa libre. Low. Assist ni Nate. Mariano 2 points. Sub rep. What happened? Checking in the game, Kuya Antonia. Kuya Mike, oh, napitaw ni Tres. Hindi ko nakita yung rebound. Ben driving to the post. All the way there. Pass to Ben. Ben power move. Euro step. Iwan Cedric sa Euro step. Our score has been 3-16 in favor of Team Green. Kuya Anton finds Cedric finds. Oh, agaw ni Mariano. Kuya Gabo receives the ball. Kuya Gabo driving to the paint. Go. Cedric sumaba. No good. Kuya Mike rebound. Cedric handling the ball. Cedric pass to Kuya Mike Magallanes. Driving kick out to Kuya Bob. Kick out to Cedric. For 3. No good. Rebound. Nagagawa niyo magkakapis. Pero nakuha ni Casey out ng pass to Bennett. Nabitawan niya ang ball. And driving to the paint. Sa back. Ayan. Paul Johnson. Hindi ako sinusunod ko lang yun. Cedric, ilalim. Down. Nate, Panginoon. Sorry. My bad.
Our score 24-16.
We have about 50 seconds in the time remaining in the first quarter. Shot clock is at 14. Nate, hindi na makagawan. Nate finds Ben. Ben corner 3. 3. Kuya Anton, pass to Kuya Bones. Kuya Bones mo. Kala ko babawi. Kuya Anton driving. No, up. What's the call rep? 50,000 pounds. Cedric for 3 is good. Cedric lead down. 13 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Casey handling about 10 remaining. Agaw, 5 remaining in the first quarter. 3, 2, 1. That's the end. Kuya Gabo receives the ball. Finds number 23, pull up, it's no good. Cedric rebound. Cedric going coast to coast. Cedric. Green. Oh, Judge, no good. Napitawan niya wala. Judge, back out to Kuya Mike. Wait lang daw, sabi niya. 17 at the shot clock. Set. 13 to shoot. Finds Magallanes. Ooh, wrong of fake. No, foul is called by Mariano. First personal foul for James. James Pegrado, sinasabi si Patrick, oh. Kiss cam daw, sabi niya, no? Patrick. Lagot ka, may Pegrado. Titirahan ka niya mamaya. Kuya Gabo spinning. Kuya Gabo driving. Left hand layup is good. Kuya Anton nagpapadali. Kuya Anton, libre. No, kick out to Kuya Mike. Kuya Gabo, 80 to shoot. Oh, I think backcourt, no. 12 to shoot. Finds Kuya Gabo. Finds Kuya Aman, nabitaw na bola. Steal by Judge. Nabitawan ni Kuya Mike. Oh, steal by Kuya Aman. Received by number 23, pass to Ravena. Going on the way, Judge, foul. First personal foul, first team foul. Fully paid. Ravena's second shot. No good. Rebound Cedric. 109. Judge, kick out, corner 3. 3 is no good. Rebound, Kuya Mike din. Pass to Kuya Mike. Mike connection. Rebound, Kuya Gabo. Kuya Gabo pushing the ball. Kuya Gabo. Binangga si Judge. Judge, naiiwan. Kuya Gabo for 3. No good. Rebound, Kuya Anton. Pass to Seth. Pass to Judge. Layup is good by Judge. 109. 109. 16 to shoot. Agaw ka kay Kuya Anton. Kuya Anton pushing the ball. It's a 2v1 situation. Pass to Kuya Mike. Layup is good. Nice assist by Kuya Anton. Our score 34-22 in favor of Team Green. Pass to Kuya Gabo. 15 to shoot. Kuya Gabo. Pass to Ravena for 3. Short. Rebound Cedric. Cedric looking to pass. No, he brings the ball down. Judge, libre sa ilalim, kick out to Kuya Mike. Jab, pass to Kuya Mike then. Back to Cedric, drop the shoot, Cedric for 3. No good. Rebound Kuya Gabo running. Finds Kuya Aman. Oh, no count. Sub, sige, pag-shot off. Sub to Diyan. Sub rep. Mariano out. Benedict. ball. Number 23, picked up. Oh, behind the back. Pick them out. But good save. Pass finds Kuya Aman. Kuya Aman pull up three. Not good. Rebound Kuya Anton. Cedric receives the ball. Cedric crossover. Cedric 30 to shoot. 9 to shoot. Kuya Anton fakes the three, drives. No look pass to Kuya Mike, reverse layup is no good. Rebound, number 23, outlet pass to Bennett. Bennett! Anton si Cedric. Oh! Tumakbo si Cedric. Cedric, are you okay?
You know, galing na.
Cedric Litan, I hope you're fine.
Basta bagong
Hope it's not that serious of an injury. Kuya Anton handling the ball. Our score 34-26 in favor of Team Green. Kuya Mike, back out to Kuya Anton for three. Short. Number 23 receives the ball. Shot clock is at 18. Bennett finds Ramena reverse is good. Our score 34-28. Humahabol na ang Team White. Kuya Anton. Crossover. Kick out. 13 to shoot. Kuya Noy handling the ball. Crossover. Drive to the paint. Pull up. Pull up is good. Kuya Gabo receives the ball. Shot clock is at 18. Kuya Aman. Runs the ball up. Lift. With score of 36-28 in favor of Team Green. Kuya Anton now handling the ball. Kuya Anton thought about the tree. Finds Kuya Bob. Back to Wewel. Agaw ni Bene. Bene tumatakbo. Kuya Gabo. Dribbling. Pushing through the paint. Bene nabitawan. Bene lumikot. Bene. Finds Kuya Aman. Kuya Aman pull up three. Our score now 36-31 of the second quarter. Alarm bell. Kuya Noy, pull up? No. Stop. Okay, dead ball. Napitawan yung bola ni number 23. Kuya Gabo receives. 15 to shoot. Finds number 23. 10 to shoot. Aman tries the three again. No good this time. Kuya Anton looking for someone to pass to. Doesn't find anyone. Kuya Anton dribbling. 15 to shoot. Finds the corner three. Corner three. No good. Wewel for three. No good. Rebound. Kuya Aman. Pass to number 23. Number 23, handling the ball. 30 to shoot, 4 minutes remaining. Kuya Aman pa. Agawan mo na. Wait lang, di ko alam. Okay, kuha ni Wewel. Kuya Noy pushing the ball. Finds Kuya Bob on the other end. Fakes it. Kuya Noy, pull up. Pull up is good. Swish. Our score, 38-31. Kuya Gabo. Kuya Gabo receives the ball. Kuya Gabo finds Kuya Aman. Kuya Aman pass to Casey. Pero cash. Kuya Mike receives. Pull up. No good. Finds brother connection. Napitawan lang ni bola ni Kuya Anjo. Wewel trailing. Kick out corner. Napitawan ng bola. Pass to Kuya Noy. Back to Kuya Anton. 9 to shoot. Finds Kuya Anjo. Kuya Anjo for three. Our score is back to 10. 41-31. Kuya Gabo, low pickup. In and out. Tap to Wewel. Wewel finding someone to pass to. Handles the ball. Wewel finds Kuya Balls. Kuya Balls